Hello my dear little ones, how are you? Are you able to read the sentences that begins with I can see that you have learned in the previous class? And have you also learned to write your name? Hope you are thorough with these by now. As Sarita Miss said, there will be two sections in this video. First, we will learn to read the sentences with the sight words it is a. And in the second half, Miss will teach you to write the next sentence about myself. So shall we start? What are the sight words I told you earlier? It is a. Repeat, children. It is a. Good. Now let us read some sentences using these sight words. Children, do not forget to point out each word while you read. So let us start. It is a hen. Now let us read word by word. It is a hen. Now let us join two words together and read. It is a hen. Read the sentence. It is a hen. Children, how do we read the sentence? It is a hen. Now let us move on to the next sentence. It is a bus. Now let us read word by word. It is a bus. Now let us join two words and read. It is a bus. How do we read? It is a bus. Children, how do we read the sentence? It is a bus. Now let us look at the next sentence. It is a pot. Now we will read word by word. It is a pot. Now let us join two words and read. It is a pot. Now read the sentence. It is a pot. Children, how do we read this sentence? It is a pot. And the fourth sentence is it is a rat. How do we read word by word? It is a rat. Now let us join two words and read. It is a rat. How do we read the sentence? It is a rat. Children, how do we read this sentence once more? It is a rat. Very good. Okay, children. Now you will learn to write the next sentence about myself. What will you say if somebody asks you how old you are? 6, right? So here we are going to write your age in a sentence. That is, I am 6 years old. Children, years and old. These two words are new to you that we cannot include as a sight words, but you have to by heart the spellings. So, shall we read it once again? Y-E-A-R-S, years. Repeat, years. And the next one is O-L-D. Old. Repeat. Old. Years. Old. Good. Now, Miss will show you to write the sentence in a 4-line. Before that, you have to remember the rules. The first one is always start to write next to the margin. And the sentence must begin with a capital letter. Leave finger gap between the words to get enough space. Do not forget to put a dot, that is full stop, after the sentence. So shall we start? Children, this is the 4-line worksheet in which the question says, how old are you? And you have already learned to say as I am 6 years old. So shall we write the sentence? First you have to write near to the margin, and the first word is I. And always you have to start with the capital letter I, and you have to keep finger space. And the next word is am. I am. Am. And the next word is I am 6. And you have already learned the spelling of number 6. And you have to keep one finger space and write the word 6. S-I-X. 6. I am 6. What is the next word? Years. Again you have to keep finger space and write Y-E-A-R-S. Years. I am 6 years old. So again you have to keep finger space and write the spelling O-L-D. Old. And finally you have to put a dot, that is full stop, to complete the sentence. How old are you? I am 6 years old. Children, there are 2 worksheets and the question says, how old are you? Children, you have already learned to say the sentence and to write also. So, I am 6 years old. Practice to write the sentence in the following lines. And this is the second worksheet, and the question says, read aloud. These are the sentences that we have learned today. You have to read word by word using point finger. Children, here you can see the new words that you have learned today. Can you identify the word? Years old. And the next question is, how old are you? And you have already learned to write the sentence as I am 6 years old. Practice to write the sentence in the following lines. Hope you understood to write your age. Practice this several times in your 4-line. Also, read the sentence and by heart the 2 new words. See you in the next class. Bye.